Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. The police are investigating a suspected road rage homicide that occurred in St. Andrew on Tuesday that claimed the life of 49-year-old videographer Courtney Sutherland. Sutherland was reportedly brutally gunned down by another motorist after a car accident involving the two along Washington Boulevard. Radio broadcaster and media personality Rodney Campbell, Sutherland's friend, tweeted, "On this day, I am numb beyond all understanding. My friend, my brother, my colleague, gunned down in what is being called road rage. I can't even process this, especially knowing exactly how he is and has always been. The man dead over car accident. It could have been any one of us." Mentally ill woman shot dead in Waterford, St. Catherine. Investigators are probing the murder of a woman in Waterford, St. Catherine on Sunday night. About 11 o'clock, residents heard explosions and later found the body of 26-year-old Stephanie Hamilton on Colthurst Road. No motive has been established for the killing. Police are now investigating a crime scene on Mapleleaf Avenue in St. Andrew, where the bodies of two males have been found in a car. Residents called the police after seeing the vehicle with bloodstains abandoned on the road. Two men were shot dead at a tire repair shop along Spanish Town Road yesterday. Dead are assistant pastor and teacher at Norman Manley High School, Quito Gaia, and shop owner, Richard Williams. Police are reporting that Gaia drove a white and silver Mitsubishi Pajero motor vehicle owned by his twin brother to the shop for repairs, and while there, a black Honda Stream motor car drove up. Three men reportedly alighted from the Honda Stream and opened gunfire, hitting Gaia and Williams. The men then got back into the vehicle and drove away. Gaia died on the spot while Williams was transported by citizens to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Still, on Spanish Town Road, a 16-year-old girl was injured and a man killed after a gunman boarded a public passenger bus on Spanish Town Road on Tuesday, March 16. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that, about 8:15 a.m., 30-year-old Dennis Nixon and a teen were sitting in close proximity to each other while traveling on a public passenger highest bus when it came to a stop. It is alleged that a man, armed with a gun, entered the vehicle and opened gunfire hitting Nixon and the teen. 30-year-old Dennis Nixon, of Caladium Crescent, Kingston 11, was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead and the teen underwent surgery. Investigations into the incident are ongoing. Eyes across Jamaica have learned that popular entertainer, Nesbeth, the My Dream singer, is now asking for prayers for his road manager, who was shot in the face and badly injured, and his licensed firearm taken away from him. We now move to, on the brighter side. On any given day, if one should visit 15 Ashoka Road in Waterhouse, St. Andrew, they would find Melissa Powell helping children with their homework or school project. "I love what I do, and I always tell the children that some of Jamaica's finest come from out of the inner cities. But in order to do that they need a solid education. So I am helping them to achieve that," she said. Powell said that she has been assisting the community's children with their academics for 13 years, but she made it a full-time job approximately 5 years ago. "A few years ago, I was working and got a call that my daughter could not be found, and when I told my boss I had to leave, he said if I chose to go through the door, I should not come back, and I went and never returned. This is what I have been doing since," she said. The 32-year-old mother of three said she started helping students at her home shortly after her first daughter was born. "When I was growing up, I never had anyone around me to guide me certain ways and ask me how was school and if I understand the day's lesson. I want every child to have that opportunity," she said. Powell's classroom is nestled comfortably in her yard.